Hi, I'm Akov, and you're watching my masterclass for Soundteams. I'm mostly known for producing drum and bass. I've also experimented with breakbeat, glitch hop, and recently started producing metal. I've released on labels such as Ram Records, Eat Brain, Blackout, and many more. In today's class, I'll be covering topics such as how I approach my drum production, bass design, general sound design, and how to mix everything together. An amateur sounding mix can often be picked out very quickly by the sound of the kick and the snare. I'm going to be teaching today's class using Ableton Live 11, and the plugins I'll be using are primarily the stock plugins within the program. However, Serum, Addictive Drums, and Kick 2 are going to make quite a lot of frequent appearances also.